Do you want to use a previous check again? Yeah? Say yes. Yeah? So it's already you have kept connected. Yeah? So it's just doing a test. It's saying that, connect. We have connected, right? We say okay.
This non-invasive, you can use the mask also, right?
Yeah. Whatever, this is the beauty of these two ventilators. There is no mandatory consumable. Whatever you have it in the hospital, it will work. That is the beauty of this ventilator. Many companies, they will say that you have to must purchase from us.
This circuit should be this one.
Everything, it's open. Nebulization, even it's open. Any brand you will use it, you can use it. Euronav, you are using it, right, already? Other department, Eurogen?
Yeah,
Same.
we are using.
Same Eurogen. Example. Same cable.
Aerogens that consumables also you have it. Or
I
that
think,
you have
see, already MO is having a contract with somebody else, I don't know.
Yeah.
And we can also, air supply, it's connected? It's not connected.
Here you can connect there.
Yeah. So it's good. It's telling us. Yeah. I say redo test. Just it's checking the internally quickly.
All patients are sweating.
It's telling us check the battery, right? Remove the battery first.
You can control anything about the ventilator. Because remember this, they use that. You know that just in all the movies, I have seen that. They use, sometimes they use the bag because they use it. And then back.
Or the line flat.
That time just monitors are so bad. So they need to look at the monitors.
People come from Canada to Spain, Japan, people. So, and that he's going to festival like Chinese year. There is a festival.
Adel, there is a gentleman who will be standing in the right corner.
Okay.
The child volume 100 ml to 4000 ml. Here, this is the big one. Yeah, and in the infants, 2 ml. This is much more. It can be used in NAC also. 2 ml to 350 ml. Example, child volume. Yeah, and invasive, non-invasive both are available. Invasive and non-invasive. Modes are here. When you tap there and another tap, you will see all the modes. Whatever you see here, you will see here also. Pressure control, volume control, pressure regulator, volume control, pressure support CPAP, volume support, all the modes are here, example. And keep some criteria, stick with the basic modes. No need to go and many things initially until you manage a few cases. Stay with the basic modes, whatever you are practicing, maybe SIME modes or whatever it is. And let me just start with volume control quickly. Again, child volume, rate, beep, whatever you tap here and you increase and decrease it by this one and confirm that. Yeah, and the same way, trigger, the scale of 10 to 1. Here we saw something dynamic image. Yeah, this is the latest release. Yeah, it's 3 years back. It's a little bit older one. Like MacBook One, this is. Here, scale of flow trigger. You see now, 1 to 10. 10 is red. You don't keep 10. 9 is red. 8 is red. You will start with 6. The same here also we are doing it with white. Yeah, and all the other things are same. Accept and start ventilation.
So you didn't put here that personal information about the patient as the one.
For that it's
Can be done, but as I said, Doctor, this is a little old platform. They were not so particular. The new platform and all comes with. We can do that here also, but it doesn't ask. You need to do.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. And
Very flexible.
I hate only one part in the ventilator. This part.
Looks like.
So things like that.
here another beauty. You have IV pole? Any IV strand? Do you have? Can I borrow one IV strand, please?
Yeah, I'll do.
Yeah. The back side, you see. The back side of the ventilator, you see. You have a cover. When you just unflop the cover, you have a 2-meter cable.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a Siemens one. You know, you can compare your Siemens technology with any one example. Yeah. And you see backside also there is a lever. Pressing this lever, you can just tilt front and back. And pressing this lever in front and move left and right. And you can remove this cover.
That's great.
Yeah. And your patient is sick, you don't need to go close to patient mouth all the time. You have a 2-meter cable. Yeah. And fix, this is IV pole clamp. Yeah, it's like a Siemens one. It's a really, really pioneer there. You see?
You have cordless?
You take it to
Yeah, so it's connected now.
Yeah.
Have a look here. I'm just pressing
Keep
this
it in
one
the office.
and turning down and pressing backside this one and lifting it up. So you can do all the things here. You don't need to go to the patient mouth. It's extremely good, especially for isolation room.
Yeah.
And it's FDA approved. You won't believe this is the number one quality ventilators you will see. But only problem with MOH, it's available in CCAD, American Hospital, Tawam, Al Rayapa, Mediclinic, NMC Group, not in MOH. MOH, you will enter some way, not by product quality. Yeah. How we got opportunity this time?
How you came to know?
Everyone knows. How we got this opportunity, no one has a stock. Do we have a stock? We supply, example. Yeah. And this is one of the real good ventilator. It helps the patient. And this is Siemens, as I said, it's a Siemens. Imagine the Siemens. For example, it's provide permanent flow sensor, means you don't need to change the flow sensor your life at all. Permanent O2 cell. Yeah, it's whatever you set, zero noise. Somewhere else, not here. Yeah, whatever you set, it will deliver. See, peak airway pressure. See how beautiful. You have patient here. You can leave the patient here. You can control everything from here. You don't need to go and direct contamination with your patient's mouth or face. Yeah, you can keep this one here. And you can do the circle rounds and go on, example. Yeah, I have another unit that is not available. That is, you can have a LAN connection here. It will all come to the clinician room. They can see the same screen from here to there, example. So patient is not doing well, he can come straight away.
I'm not controlling for that.
Yeah, but you know, it has all the modes. And this is very weak, yeah, it shouldn't fall down. Now I'm scared of anything is fall down, it will break. That's the thing. Yeah. See, we set volume control, we are delivering, setting 500 ml, it's delivering 498, it will deliver 500. It's extremely accurate. You don't see any other ventilator. I'm not, by the way, I'm not exaggerating, I'm like a clinical person, same like you all. It's very accurate. It has an extremely superior leak compensation also. Even you have uncuffed tube, big leak, without any problem it will ventilate. Yeah. And you wanted to control these 4 parameters directly by these knobs. Increase, decrease by these knobs. Yeah. How do you change the next ventilation mode? Control ventilation here to just straight away go to PRVC example. See the same volume, 500 ml, 35 peak airway pressure in volume control. You see now PRVC, same volume. It will give the peak airway pressure minimum 4 to 5 centimeter down. It was 35, so you see now. It's give the same set idle volume with the minimum possible airway pressure. Extremely good ventilation mode. Yeah, and you can see like a quick access. You have suction support, and again menu. When you go here, what I wanted to show actually. Intensity, it's silent. How do you alarm the silent? Press the silent here. Alarm profile here. See in the alarm profile, all this control mode, you will have something called auto alarm set. The auto set, when you tap, it will just keep 20% up, 20% down from the previous 3 breaths. It will help your workflow easily. Yeah, and accept it. Can you remove this one? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So, any other clarification? I just wanted to show you most importantly one thing, which is how to check the lung measurements. Quick access.
Wait for.
Additional
Video,
settings.
categories, and alarm profile change.
Additional settings.
Video settings, compensate band,
Down.
mainstream. Oh, okay, sorry. This is okay. I understood now. See, this ventilators, as I said, it's a top end one. Example, you see here, you see direct access now. You can just see expiratory and inspiratory hold, right? What you need to do, you need additional value. You need to go to the last page. I'm just coming to the next. It's the first page of the small numerics. Go to the second and the third. Yeah, and press inspiratory hold. You see here, inspiratory expiratory hold for inspiratory hold for 2 seconds or until it's active. It shows active. You see, and expiratory hold for another 2 seconds or until you see here active. Yeah, you remove your hand. You see it's measuring out of it. Yeah, it's measuring strictly and the lung complaints, resist, and all the other things. Any clarification? It's very, very simple to use it.
Yeah, then
Again, how do you switch off the ventilator? It's very important. Press here and say yes. It will off. How do you start the ventilation? Set your category, whether adult or pediatric, whether invasive or non-invasive, then you can go to the mode. Non-invasive, if you go the non-invasive, it's asking compliance compensation will be turned off in NIV. Okay, no problem. So NIV, you tap here and you can tap here, you will be having a NIV pressure support, NIV pressure control. Pressure control, as I said, very rarely you will use it. Pressure support you may use very often. Means patient is breathing half, you don't want to intubate, you don't want to delay very highly complicated case, so you will try with non-invasive mask. Yeah, so you can try that time, for example, how much it helps. And for me personally, but how practical we are using non-invasive? So much?
BiPAP.
Yeah, we are using BiPAP.
Yeah.
Means
That's
BiPAP means
very
a
good
separate
actually.
machine, doctor? or-
Just separate.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
separate.
See, those separate machine, this is dedicated for BiPAP. It has a superior leak compensation until 200 liters per minute. So whatever liquids goes, it will try to find a way how to compensate. Yeah.
This is what they claimed. What they claimed.
No, but for me, my personal thing, doctor, I don't know, but for me, I never used to not much non-invasive. Maybe I worked in cardiac ICU. So you
Yeah,
don't
that's
put
better.
NAV
Here it is
and we
very-
give lot of thoracic
Yeah.
pressure. So we have some criteria. Whether patient is not doing well, we do ABG, then we straight away intubate.
But not supposed to be
Yeah.
these
No.
days.
Yeah, but
We're not using
that's
it
it.
non-invasive.
Yeah, now no.
Now.
But for our before our
Absolutely.
25
No, both can be used.
patients.
Both
That's
has
just
it.
I noticed that.
But
Yeah,
it
no,
is
it's
not
not
like your
bypass.
bypass.
Yeah.
Bypass is dedicated bypass example.
Yeah.
Any other clarification?
But if we don't have
In that
bypass,
one,
then we can use
Of
it.
course, this will work. Of course, it
So
will
your
work, but not like that.
Your machine bypass.
Patient asking.
Or nebulization. Okay. See, that's the nebulizer. Tap here nebulizer. Yeah. How many minutes?
Okay.
Where is the
Access.
port
Let's go to nebulization.
connection?
Connection is here. You see? There's a small black one. The black adapter will go to this black adapter. Yeah. That's it.
Do you
And
have
by the way, yeah, please tell me.
ETCO2 from here? Ventilator?
No, it's not. It's
No.
monitor is available.
Yeah, monitor is
Yeah,
there.
yeah. No, because they asked, we said we don't have a stock. You want 6 months to wait. Because that's a reality, so they said, okay, whatever you have, just bring it immediately. Here, I have another view option. I don't want to just, just give so much of temptation. Do this one. You can remove this complete piece. Yeah, and you can put it in the patient bed, or you can put it in the rail hook. Example, you have a liver failure, kidney failure, IABP, you need a space management. So that time you can remove this big elephant. It's not elephant, many ventilators will see big elephant, and you can just do the space management. Very good. Yeah? And it can be fixed in the pendant also. In case you have an IC bed pendant, can be put in the pendant on side. That can be fixed in the pendant rails. Now, American Hospital, we have done that one. And many places we have done, there is a small plate is there where it's mounted. This we mount it in a lot of platforms. CCD, if you go, there's a platform. The platform will mount it. It's all there in the mount. So you don't see the trolley unless you're transferring from one department to other department. Anything only they will bring the trolley. Yeah. All right. Any clarification? As I said, first day we don't want to give so much overdose. You will start hating the whole thing. Yeah. Try to practice and play more and more. and probably you can contact me for any more
Your
clarification. I will
number.
be available.
What's the maximum distance from the monitor and
This is 2 meters cable, gentlemen. 2
you can
meters.
change the cable from other.
Now I tried, I was same like you smart when they were telling this one.
Yeah.
Can I put 5 meter cable? Because I have a different plan. They said no, we have only 2 meter cable. Then I was looking for different part number available in the cable, no part number. I asked them why, that the resolution number 1. Number 2, they don't want to spend any money and researching and developing for them. Manufacturer, it's no use for them.
No, if you will switch, that's the power cord to others plug.
You see here, when you tap your status, the status will tell batteries. When you tap batteries, it's saying that I have 2 batteries, charge it on, it's not charged.
Okay.
Yeah, fully charge it on. It's saying that now each battery is 44 minutes, 42 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, charge it. It's IC ventilator, you don't use it for transport purposes, but you have minimum 1.5 hours backup.
1.5 hours.
Minimum.
Okay.
Please charge it. All the ventilator, put it on charge, engineer, please.
How many hours will it?
1.5 each minimum, but put it on charge and it will tell, no need to calculate, it will tell how many hours, you could see here now. Can you, 44 and 44 example.
So once it is fully charged, we can put it off.
No,
Huh?
never ever, this is a very important point for medical equipment.
Because the one, you remember now?
Whether
When
it's
I
an
asked
anesthesia
you, he told
machine,
we can
whether
put
it's a
it off.
ventilator, whether it's a BiPAP machine or anything, no compromise on batteries. Every 2 years you will replace through the battery. Why they do? Just save the battery. Battery is 1000 dirham,
Yeah,
life is more
battery
precious.
saving.
Battery is 1000 dirham, life is more precious. So according to the FDA and the medical equipment management
No, I'm
certification,
not asking like once using for the patient. When I'm keeping a
365 into 7.
not using also.
From our side we say this one, but you follow the hospital about this thing. What we say, 24 into 7 has to be connected into the main power. Yeah, we are not saving the batteries. We wanted to save the life. Imagine it's not properly charged. One day somebody forgot to charge. You have emergency. There's emergency shutdown. What you will do? So there's a thing medical equipment says. So you can also practice. And please, practice means try touch the button before you get the patient.